Hello there. Welcome to Keyword Revealer tutorial. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Rank Tracker email report and alert feature. So let's jump right in. On your Rank Tracker page, click on Reports and Alerts. Now let's create a new report. Enter your report or alert name. Enter your recipient email. Type Enter. If you just want to receive email reports on a schedule, you can select Weekly, Monthly, or Custom. If you want your report to be sent on every 2 to 3 days, specific day of the week, or day of the month, you can select Custom. The options are very flexible to fit your schedule. For alerts-based notifications, you can configure emails to be sent when any of your keywords reach or leave top 10 and top 100. We want to receive email report every Wednesdays, so let's click Custom. Change the frequency to weekly, then click on Wednesday button to select. Click on Create Report/Alert button at the bottom to save your configuration. This is an email report that you will receive in your inbox. Now you don't have to sign into Keyword Revealer to check your tracked keywords, as they are automatically sent to you. Thanks for watching.